Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Just want to cover GALA because it is moving up here and a lot of people have requested an update on GALA. So with GALA, what we can see, obviously it made its larger wave 1 to the upside here back in November. Since then has been in a correction and has been coming down here all along, has hit the target area perfectly, and we had a strong initial reaction to the target area, which was good. We didn't see, however, a 5-wave move to the upside, and it appears to be that we've now made a higher low, but it could be that this move down isn't over yet, so we need to be careful, okay? But again, I always try to emphasize on this channel that it's important to be prepared for any scenario, and that at any point in time from here, prices could move to new all-time highs, because GALA did hit the target area that we've been talking about for months. And this is the target area where cryptos with the highest probability start to turn around, okay? And you see it with GALA. There is a potential that we could turn around here, even though I primarily still expect lower prices. But again, if anybody doesn't have a foot in the door yet, I do have my foot in the door here with GALA, and I made that very clear in videos. Then everybody needs to decide that for themselves, because the downside potential for GALA is very limited and has been very limited from here, you know. So we can see that we seemingly broke out of this descending wedge, but I actually think we're forming here a channel, because you can then extend that and possibly even get more than just 2 touch points. You might actually get 3 touch points if you not use the wicks. Now you don't really, you cut through the price action, but still this could be a channel. So GALA is currently approaching resistance, and that potential wave count that I've got here is not invalidated yet in my view. Even though wave 4 does slightly get into wave 1 price range, this here is a very nice channel. It could be an ending diagonal. This here could all be a wave 5 to the downside, and a ending diagonal in a wave 5 is certainly possible, okay? So you get that very often. So therefore, watching this level here at the moment, the 27 cents, and if that gets broken, then I think we have upside potential all the way to 36 cents. That would then be the next logical resistance. It has been resistance here on the 13th of January, here on the 8th of February, we even went a little bit higher, and here on the 15th of February. That is just the next level that would then be seen, okay? And even with that together, GALA would then break the 50-day moving average as well, which would be also a good sign, and from here it could really start to go up to these levels. If it doesn't make a higher high, if it doesn't move higher from here, then I do expect still that wave 5 to play out, and that could land really down here around 15 cents. And should the 15-cent level be broken, then what we can see is here the next support at around 11.9 cents. Now this is only the daily chart. If we go to the 4-hour chart, get a little bit more detail, and again, what we do here is looking like a 3-wave move at the moment. So it could just be an A, B, C at the moment, based on that wave 4. So at the moment there is no confirmation that this here really is the beginning of a new uptrend. At the moment all we are doing here is just a lower high overall compared to the wave 2. So we see obviously prices going up at the moment, but generally for altcoins at the moment, prices not going up that much compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was doing really well, but then again, I talked about that in my Bitcoin video yesterday, why I think that is the case, and it has to do with the conflict that's currently going on in the world. That is my view why that happened. A lot of volume, especially in Bitcoin. Yes, it did have an effect on alts, but not that much as it normally would have done, I think. So so message here is for GALA. Lower prices might still be my primary expectation, but at any point in time I did say that in this target area, and that we've talked about that target area for weeks and months, the price can turn around to all-time highs, and from here the downside potential is minimal anyway. So I don't know, it's up to you if you buy or not, but I have loaded up my bags with GALA. I still have one buy order set for a lower price, but I always have that anyway, because there could always be that final dip, which might often not come, but so that's good. At the moment, key level here, key resistance level, key decision point basically, right, where the market now needs to decide does GALA go through here or not, and if that gets broken, yeah, message is that could be a long trade for someone, especially after a retest, and we could go then up to 36 cents. That would be my 36 cents would be my target for the next move to the upside if we break this level. If we break this knot and come down, I think you're going to retest here the lower support of that channel, which could be around 15 cents or 15.7 cents. And if we look at, yeah, I mean, the indicators are turning rather bullish. You know, the 4-hour chart, RSI is in the bullish range. The MACD also made a bullish crossover here on the 4-hour chart, and on the daily chart as well. You're probably going to get, but only if the price can break this channel, then you're going to get a bullish crossover on the MACD on the daily. And the last time that happened, we moved from around 15 cents all the way up to nearly 40. Okay, so watch for that daily MACD crossover. It's not there yet. And also here the daily RSI is at a tipping point, trying to get into the bullish range on the RSI, but not there yet. So really tipping point here. And you need to keep a close eye on the indicators and on that resistance level. And if that gets broken, that could be an opportunity here for anybody who wants to do a short trade. I'm not going to do it because I already did enter my long positions here in terms of our dollar cost averaging in. Should there be another dip, I'm happy to sit that out because the downside potential in my view is limited. Yeah. And then after that, we should see higher prices. So when the correction is over, then the next wave would be a wave 3 to the upside, and I would expect at least price targets of 133 to 163. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this GALA update. If you did, if you enjoyed it, then yeah, please smash the like button and subscribe, and also leave a comment for the algorithm. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.